Hello team, welcome to a session that's all about collaboration and collective problem solving. Today, we're going to engage in group discussions and activities designed to tackle common time management challenges. It's like putting together a puzzle. Each piece, or in our case, each person, brings a unique perspective that can help complete the picture. Let's get started and see what amazing solutions we can come up with together. The power of group discussions. Sharing experiences. We'll kick off with each of us sharing our own time management struggles and successes. It's like swapping stories around a campfire, each one bringing its own wisdom and insights. Brainstorming solutions. As a group, we'll brainstorm potential solutions to these challenges. The beauty here is in diversity. Everyone's ideas are welcome, no matter how out of the box they may seem. Problem-solving activities. The scenario workshop. We'll present a series of real-life scenarios related to time management. Each group will work together to come up with practical solutions. Think of it as a mini think tank for time management. Role-playing. In these scenarios, some of you will role-play as the person facing the challenge, while others will offer advice or play other roles in the scenario. It's a great way to see different viewpoints and solutions in action. Interactive exercises. The prioritization game. Here's a fun one. Each group will be given a list of tasks, some important, some urgent, and some neither. Your challenge is to prioritize these tasks as a team. It's a bit like a treasure hunt where you need to figure out which treasures, tasks, are worth the most. The Time Audit Challenge. In this exercise, you'll work in pairs to audit each other's typical day a week. The goal is to identify time wasters and suggest improvements. It's like being a detective in someone else's schedule. We'll conclude with a group reflection on what we've learned and how we can apply these insights to our daily lives. It's about taking the collective wisdom of the group and turning it into individual action plans. So let's dive into these discussions and activities with open minds and a spirit of collaboration. The goal here is not just to learn from each other, but to build solutions that we can all benefit from. Here's to growing together and mastering the art of time management as a team.